The script delves into the fascinating abilities of weakly electric fish, focusing on their electrolocation skills used to navigate and hunt in murky waters where vision fails. It highlights how these fish generate electric fields and detect distortions created by objects or prey using specialized electroreceptors. Engineers draw inspiration from this natural adaptation to enhance sonar technology, leading to advancements in underwater exploration and mapping. By examining the similarities between the fish's biological sensors and modern sonar systems, the narrative illustrates the seamless integration of nature's blueprint into technological innovation. This exploration offers viewers insights into how nature guides human engineering, providing unique perspectives on the intersection of animal behavior and technology.